It's your girl Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. So for this video is Christmas. Oh my god, I love Christmas so much. This is a Christmas Eve makeup tutorial for, those holiday parties that you're going to, because, I will be going to a few. But anyway, so I thought I would come out here and show you guys a makeup tutorial that you could possibly wear to some of your holiday parties or just some inspo. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First off, this is not really in my face, but I know when I'm moving around and stuff, it's just gonna get in the way, so hair tie. First is always primer. I am going to just use the No Poreblem one. I'm gonna shake it because it's like really liquidy and weird sound. I hate it, but whatever. So I got this new foundation on Black Friday at Ulta. It is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London, whatever. Conceal and Hydrate. I have it in the color 513. I've tried it over the past couple of weeks and I low-key kind of like it more than my Fenty foundation, which I can't even believe I just said that. Like, I love that foundation, but I like this because even though I have oily skin in the winter, it's not that bad. So I kind of like that this is slightly dewy a little bit and it's a medium to full coverage. So I'm just going to apply my foundation using my beauty blender, so I'm gonna do that real quick. For my under eyes, I'm going to take the color Warm Honey in the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to put that right underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to take the color Suede, and I'm gonna put that on any blemishes I have on my face. Girl, don't have blemishes. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. To set my under eyes, I am going to take the yellow powder in the James Charles palette, so that one. Now I'm going to use my Fit Me Maybelline in the color 35 Deep, and I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to use something else that I picked up on Black Friday. Normally, I wouldn't use this product, but it was Black Friday and it was on sale and I was like, screw it, I'll fall into the trap. Ugh. And I'm going to use the color Tan and Gorgeous for a subtle but natural looking contour. I'm also going to go underneath my cheek, well, my jawline, to make us look like skinny queens, okay? Because, it's hard out here in these streets when, you got fat. I'm going to take a slight deeper brown color, and I'm just going to hollow it out just to make it slightly more defined. Not too much, just a little bit. And I am going to take my NYX Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, and I am going to use the darker pink shade. It is called Toasted, and I'm going to use that just on my cheeks just to bring back a slight color into my face. So next I'm going to do eyebrows. I need to find a spoolie first. Found it. Anyway, I'm going to use this spoolie and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows real quick so then we can draw them in and get fleek. So I'm going to use a dark brown pencil from NYX, and I'm going to use that to carve out my shape real quick. And then I'm going to take a darker eyeliner color, not eyeliner, but eyebrow pencil. And I'm going to do the ends of them because I like more of a light to dark look. So I'm going to do that real quick. So now I'm going to take the foundation that I use and I'm going to put a little bit on my palm. And I'm going to take a tiny angled brush and I'm going to carve out my brows real quick. Okay, now that my eyebrows are complete, we're going to get on to eyeshadow. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take an eyeshadow color that's very similar to my skin tone, or I'm going to use the Fit Me loose powder real quick and set my eyelids so that there's an even base so that the eyeshadow will go on really nicely. I am going to use this blending brush and I'm going to dip it into this burnt orangey color and I'm going to put that into my crease. Then I'm going to pick up my Blushing Berries. This is dirty. I'm not... It's really pretty when it's not dirty, so let's fix that problem. So next, I'm going to pick up a shade in my Blushing Berries palette that I got from my BoxyCharm box 2 months ago. I am going to pick up this color, the color closest to the black. That shade is called Mixed Berries, and I'm gonna put that in my crease as well. And then, I don't need to explain this part, I'm just blending. Then I'm going to pick up the Celestial Thunder palette. I got this palette also from a BoxyCharm. It's from Dominic Cosmetics. I am going to pick up the shade Eternal Light right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I would be careful with this color though because it is very shimmery, so it kind of gets everywhere. So you see how it's just really flaky and stuff whenever you're putting it onto the brush. Just be aware of that if you are going to use this color. Okay, and then I'm going to take the same brush that I put the deep berry color, and I'm going to blend that into the glitter. Be very careful with this step because the glitter will get everywhere. But I mean, oh, it's so pretty. Like, I'm gonna use a smaller blending brush just so the color doesn't go everywhere. I still kind of want to keep the cut crease-ish effect. I still want to keep the cut crease-ish effect that I've got going on, but I still want the color to blend nicely so it looks seamless. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the Blushing Berry palette again, and I'm going to take the Roseberry, and I am going to use that shade into my outer crease just a little bit, just to deepen it a little bit. You could just stop at this point, but I'm going to put on some winged eyeliner real quick because I feel like, you know, sometimes wings just brings the whole look together, so I'm going to do that really quickly. I am going to be using the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner in the darkest black that it has. I put eyelashes also on off camera because those are really hard to put on camera, so I just did that real quick, but I have eyeliner on and my eyelashes on. I don't remember the name of these eyelashes, but if I do, I will put them in the description down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Blushing Berries palette again, and I am going to take the dark color that we use, the Mixed Berries, and I'm going to put that in my lower lash line really quickly. I am going to use a skinny brush, small brush like this, so that it doesn't get too thick underneath my under eyes. So I picked up the Anastasia Glow Kit, the sugar, on Black Friday for only like 20 bucks. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite thing that I bought, well, makeup wise, other than I got the Juvia's Place Black Friday bundle, so watch out for that video. So I'm gonna pick up the shade Butterscotch, and I'm going to put that on all the high points of my face. Oh, you see that? You see that? You see that?
Yes, I see it. My goodness.
Oh, you see that glow? Yes, queen. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 lip looks. I'm going to do a more natural lip color to go with this, and then I'm also going to do a bright red lip. So I'm going to show you 2 lip looks today. So for the natural one, I'm going to do a dark brown lip liner, and I'm going to pick up the color Flirty from Dose of Colors. I got this color in my BoxyCharm too, and I haven't tried it yet, so this will be my first time trying it. So we'll see if I like it, but this is kind of the color theme. I'm trying to go for the more natural lip color, so let's try that real quick. Okay, the applicator's different, but let's see how this applicator works. Here is the makeup look with a more natural lip. I'm not mad at it, but you know, I think I might feel the bright red a little bit, so I'm going to do a bright red real quick. I am going to use, if I can find it, okay, I am going to use a bright red liquid lipstick. I don't remember where I got this from, but it's Beauty Benefits Hollywood. I've never really heard of that brand. I don't remember where I got it, but I'm just going to use that and put that on my lips real quick after I take this color off. Oh, the red looks so much better. See what I'm saying? And then here it is with a liquid red kind of bright color. I love the red so much better. It's like that nice, like, you know, cherry on top. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm so glad I could do this for you guys. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm probably gonna do this makeup look for some of the holiday parties that I might be going to, but I love this. It is so cute, and what I like is that it's super wearable too. Thank you so much for watching. I have so many videos in the works, like you don't even understand. I have hauls. I have Fashion Nova jean haul. I got that for y'all, so that will be coming soon. I have Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo coming as well. I also have a whole review about the Juvia's Place makeup. Like all of it. I got palettes, I got highlighters, I got literally almost everything on the site. So I will be doing a makeup tutorial on that soon. And so, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below or on social media what you thought. My links are down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would appreciate it so much. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, so let's see if we can do that. We are so close. Like, I'm so excited, but let's see if we can do that. So, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.